you guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me, or kind of a makeup tutorial, I will actually say, versus get ready with me, because I am actually explaining what I'm doing step by step. This is going to be a voiceover, so it's going to be like a date night, get ready with me, Valentine's Day, makeup tutorial, sultry, pinks, reds, that kind of vibe. I am getting ready to take pictures of my inventory, so that's where I'm going to be going. Not a date night, but it's a Valentine's Day themed drop, so I kind of want to be in the vibe and feeling sexy. I sell lingerie now and loungewear, so I kind of wanted to put myself in the zone, which means a full face of makeup, honey. And side notes, if you want to see how I did my hair, click the link in the description bar. I don't know if it's going to be the video I'm posting before or after this, but I'm posting both of them on the same day. And I have clip-ins in right now, and if you ask me, I feel like they look like tape-ins. So go ahead and watch that video if you want to see how I did my hair. If you want to see how I did my makeup, just go ahead and keep on watching. Bye, you guys.
Now what I'm doing is carving out my eyebrows. I actually filled them in off camera. So I'm going in on the other side and also starting to go in and highlight above my eyebrows and create a base for my eyeshadow with my concealer, and I'm starting to blend it out now. A spoolie to reblend the front of my eyebrows out and keep my gradient effect like how I like my eyebrows. And then I'm going in with a concealer that is the same color of my skin. Setting spray, because I know I'm doing a full face of makeup today, so I don't want any of my makeup to start getting tacky when I'm trying to blend it out. I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer on my lids to kind of create like a transition color in my crease. That way it's easier for me to blend every other color that I want to use too. And I'm using a brown because I just feel like that's what makes the most sense for this look. Taking the color Love from the Abby Roberts palette and just packing it in my crease. But I'm making sure to focus it like in that area. That way it doesn't start to get messy and muddy as I start to build the colors up. Switching brushes, I'm just going in and kind of like creating my crease color and blending that pink all the way across my lid, but I'm not taking any extra color. I'm just using whatever is left on that brush. Taking a blending brush and blending that pink into my crease before I go in with my next color. Now I'm taking Artistry from that same palette, which is just a deep burgundy, and building in that pretty much some depth and dimension in my crease. As you can see, I was going for more of like a cat eye, like sultry look, so this is also super sped up, so just keep in mind to take your time and actually build the color and build the shape how you want. That way you're not rushing yourself, because I feel like once you start rushing yourself with dark colors, it's when it starts getting crazy and your eyeshadow starts looking a mess, for real. 'Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So go now. I'm taking that same color Love, which is the bright pink, and going in on my inner crease and creating like a gradient effect. That way when I start blending out everything, you can really see the pink. I want to share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. All I'm doing right now is deepening that crease color some more, and then just creating some more dimension on my eye pretty much, and really focusing on like the shiny part. It goes on and on and on. Now I'm going in under my waterline with the leftover powder from the burgundy color, that Artistry, and just creating like a smoked out effect before I go in with my concealer, etc, etc. All I need, personality, everything you do. Right now I'm just blending out pretty much what we just did and really showing that I'm trying to create a gradient. Your style. Now I'm taking Peach Tea, which is just a shimmery pink peachy color, and putting that in the middle of my lids and focusing it like out to the inner corner. Make me believe that I'm just going back and forth on both sides until I get like the color that I pretty much want, and kind of dragging it out to the outer corners too, that way it's a little bit easier to blend. I'm taking that same brush that we used when we were using the deep burgundy color and just rebuilding dimension and just going back in and making sure that the shape is still the shape that I want. That same peach tea and just going in on my inner corner, making sure that my inner corner is bright how I liked it. Anything you want from me. Now we're getting into face, so I'm using the black Radiance concealer and going in under my eyes, and then I'm using, I can't even tell you, the foundation will be listed below, but I'm using my foundation and going ahead and doing both at the same time before I go into my setting spray to blend it all out. Taking the bottom of my Real Technique sponge and just blending everything out. So what I like to do, I like to actually carve out directly under my eyeshadow, because again, I wanted this to be a cat eye look. So I wanted to make sure that the cat eye was emphasized. So what I did today was I used body shimmer right under my, before I start blending out my concealer, I'm pretty much using body shimmer to give myself a little shimmer under my face. That way my face doesn't look disgusting and flat. Going in with a super light under eye. Do this to your liking. I was taking pictures for my brand, so I wanted to make sure that my face was like full face. I would not recommend this on like a regular date night or a regular situation, honestly. I looked a mess in 30 minutes. Now I'm just blending everything out, making sure that it's all like cohesive with the rest of my face, and making sure that that white isn't like too white under my eyes. Junior want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior want to not be on my So now we're bringing some color back in and going ahead with our normal face powder. Did he miss? Junior want to not be on my I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer to contour my face. I'm not going for like a super snatched look, honestly. I feel like my eyes did enough today. On my mama, made a promise, Junior want to not be on my Now I'm taking my blush and just lightly patting it in before I start to blend it out. Did he miss? Junior want to not be on my Right here, all I'm doing is literally just blending everything out, and then what I'll be doing after this is going in with like my powder in right under my eyes. That way I can keep that bright under eye effect, even though I just put my blush and contour on it. Now I'm taking the side with no product on it from my beauty blender and just kind of pressing everything together and melting it in my face. I'm going in with the ColourPop liner and just starting the process of doing my lips. And just continuing the process of overlining my lips. You guys can just watch me do this pretty much. I don't really feel like I need to explain this. I noticed my lips were dry, so I'm just gonna let my chapstick kind of sit and work for a bit and then go in with my eyeliner. As you guys can see, I'm literally just lining my eyes. I can do an eyeliner tutorial one day because I don't really know how to describe it in detail the way I do it. It's like second nature to me now. I've been wearing eyeliner since 8th grade. Let me be honest. Let me be honest. I went with the bugs, boy. Let me be honest. I went with the bugs, boy. Spirit is on us. I'm not going to speed this part up that much. That way you guys can actually watch me do my eyeliner. It's not that hard, but it's more so just, I kind of just drag it pretty much in the shape that I want. I don't like doing really thick eyeliner, so it's easier for me to just drag.
Never lose a piece. What? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep.
So right now I'm just going in my inner corner and pretty much re-intensifying that waterline with like a brownie burgundy color again.
TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas brown me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
I'm just putting my lashes on now. These are actually the lashes that I give out for free with every set. So just a by the way.
All the niggas round me, right and they die.
Again, this is not really a tutorial in regards to like the lashes and eyeliner. I can do a separate video for that. I'm using the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Primer. I really actually only use this because I like that pale color. I feel like it gives me a great base to put whatever I want to put on top of it. Now I'm just applying my lipstick that I wanted to use. You can use any lipstick you want to use.
I would rather see my heart turn to gold. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find it.
So at the end of my look, I realized I didn't contour my nose. So now I'm just going back in and contouring my nose. You guys can just watch me do that.
About to pop up on your phone like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside. PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Thank you for watching. This is the finished look. Very pink, red, Valentine's Day, sultry, all the vibes I said we was going for. Tag me or send me your photos if you guys, I was gonna say tag me like I'm fucking famous or something, but send me your photos if you guys do try to recreate this look or try and follow a tutorial step by step, or tell me how it worked out for you, what I can work on in regards to be doing an actual tutorial versus just to get ready with me. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna be doing like a rainbow themed series with eye looks, starting with red and ending with violet. So well, it might be like ending with like a black and white look, but pretty much just going through all the colors of the rainbow, and I feel like that'll be like a really neat video idea to get into. So yeah, stay tuned, and sorry for not posting and being as active on here. I just have not had the time to. I've been very busy with work, and work is definitely my priority. I have bills to pay and YouTube does not pay them yet. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, comment any feedback, tell me how you guys like the look. Bye. Have a nice weekend or day. I keep saying have a nice weekend. Like, have a nice day, y'all.